Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your website hosting with Bluehost step by step clearly. To transfer your website hosting with Bluehost, start by logging into your Bluehost account. Navigate to the Domains section on your dashboard. Select the domain you want to transfer. Click on the Transfer option in the domain settings. Make sure your domain is unlocked for transfer. This setting is usually found in the Domain Management settings. Next, obtain the authorization code from your current registrar. You will need this code for the transfer process. Return to your Bluehost account and paste the authorization code when prompted. Complete the required information on the transfer form. Review the terms of service and agree to them. Click on the Submit button to initiate the transfer. You will receive a confirmation email regarding the transfer. Check your email and follow the instructions provided. The transfer process may take several hours to complete. During this time, you can continue to manage your new Bluehost account. Once the transfer is finalized, you will receive another email notification. Log back into your Bluehost account to verify that your domain is successfully transferred. Update your DNS settings if necessary to point to your new Bluehost hosting. Finally, test your website to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.